Hi, I'm Chuck Larson, Training and Special Projects Manager at Symetrix, and we're here at our ISE booth in 2020 showing off our new xIO Stage 4x4. This is the latest in our Dante analog I/O expanders. This takes analog audio either on or off the network, so we can bring analog audio in and convert it to Dante, or we can take Dante audio and convert it to analog audio for outputs. It has a steel construction with metal Neutrik XLR connectors. It's designed to be in a live type of environment, a type of situation where you maybe have a microphone plugged in and someone steps on the cable, that they'll break the cable before they break the box itself. It has our high quality A to D converters and mic pre's, the same ones that you can find in our DSPs. So we're really happy to bring this next generation of our Dante analog I/O expanders. And if you missed anything, please feel free to visit our website at www.symetrix.co.